a leaf hanging from a spider's web, dancing in the breeze. Here a wet green turns to gold, and a raindrop sets it free. That raindrop could be me, to set you free. Shackles broken, it journeys down, gently floating to the earth, and there it lies with so many more, just a leaf on the floor, like you and me, to be set free. Time in the sun has come to an end. The gardener sweeps it up, builds a pyre, strikes a match. It crackles and it spits.